In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Pixel ID from Meta Business Manager and add it to your website settings. This is a simple setup process, but it's an important one because your Pixel ID helps connect your site with Meta's tracking tools. That connection allows you to monitor activity more accurately and make sure your integrations are working the way they should. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can complete it without confusion. First, go to Meta Business Manager and locate your Pixel ID. You want to make sure you're copying the correct ID from the right data source, since even a small mistake here can prevent tracking from working properly. Once you find the Pixel ID, copy it carefully. It's a good idea to double check that you've copied the full value before moving on. Next, open the platform or website dashboard where you want to install the Pixel. From there, go into Settings, then look for Developer Tools. Depending on the system you're using, you may see an option called Code Injection, or you might see something like External API Keys. The exact label can vary a little, but the goal is the same. You're looking for the place where third-party tracking or custom code connections are added. Once you're in that section, find the field designed for the Facebook Pixel ID. In some platforms, this will be clearly labeled, making the process very straightforward. In others, you may need to paste the value into a header script box instead. If your platform expects the raw Pixel ID, paste only the ID itself. If it uses a script box, make sure you're placing the information in the correct area intended for header level tracking. After you paste the Pixel ID into the appropriate field, take a moment to review everything before saving. This quick check can help you catch formatting issues, extra spaces, or anything else that might interfere with the setup. Finally, click Save. Once you've saved the changes, your Pixel ID should now be connected through that setting. If you want to be extra careful, you can return to the page afterward and confirm the value is still there, which helps verify that the update was successfully applied. That's all it takes.